नमस्कार दोस्तों। Today is 28th July 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for the next trading session, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So it looks like consolidation is still on and we may able to see a recovery. But before we get into detail of that, let's have a look into key elements of our market. So when we look into global index, S&P 500 is still trying to figure it out in which direction it has to go, but still above 8 and above 20 and above 50, so definitely an uptrend. US government 10 bond yield is still below 200 and in the range of 1.26, so still looking quite all right for all the equity market. And the dollar index is showing some sign of recovery, but still bears have pulled it back and it is forming some kind of wick here and still below 8 bar and 20 bar. So this is still little uncertain and consolidating between this 92 and 93 territory, and that's where we see the impact of this on our market. So but as of now it is forming a week, so I would still consider this as a good sign, and we need to see how this is getting closed by tomorrow morning. Now when we look into bank nifty, it looks like the bank nifty today has taken a support on its critical zone of 34,400 and has shown some sign of reversal, and also taken a support on 20 bar moving average. So this is still in a red candle, but it seems like 34,400 is holding up. Reliance is almost taking a support on 200 bar moving average and forming kind of a bullish reversal week. So we need to see how the tomorrow is going to work, whether Reliance is able to cross above 2074 or is getting stuck here. So that is going to be very critical to see. And HDFC Bank is now looks like taking a support on a weekly L4, which is at 1413, and still in the red side, but nothing clear. It is still in bearish mode. So very mixed kind of signal, but showing that it is at the bottom of consolidation. We may hope for a reversal. Now, when we look into Lalaji, when we see into Lalaji, we see that Lalaji is in consolidation since beginning of March week, that is 7th June week, and this consolidation is running between 15,450 to 15,900 levels. And on shorter range, if someone wants to pick, then it could be 15,570 or 15,600 to 15,900. So very tight range in which it is playing, but on weekly basis it is definitely still in uptrend, and now 8 bar moving average with every passing day is moving up, and slowly and steadily now 20 bar moving average is also catching up. So this could be very interesting because this is something which will provide a very strong support to market in coming days. But as of now, it is in uptrend and definitely in consolidation zone. On daily chart, what we see is that Lalaji, if you see this, so many consolidation. Uh, but as of now, it is still below 8 bar, 20 bar, and just above 50 bar moving average. So still in downward, there is in bearish mode. But today, if you see, it is from a classic week. This is the engage reversal setup one, the reversal pattern which I have discussed in my educational playlist. If you have not checked out my educational playlist, then do check out. In that, I talk about my trade setup and the key reversal pattern. Still one video is pending. I will try to make it very soon. But this is the first reversal setup which I discuss in that, which is a weak reversal. So we see a very strong reversal happening at a very critical level of 15,600. So this has a good significance, and it is definitely above 50 bar moving average, but still below, still in bearish control. And now it has a strong resistance at 15,780, and definitely a very good support at 15,680, and then at 15,577. On top side, if 15,778 is broken, then the next resistance will be at 15,855, and last but a strong resistance at 15,916, which is a combination of my black and blue magical line. But on daily chart, it is definitely in downtrend. Now on 15-minute chart, what we see is that today Lalaji has closed above 8, above 20, and just below 50 and below 200. But since above 8 and above 20 or near term, the scenario is changed, and this shows a confirmation on reversal that in 15 minute the market has become bullish. Now let's try to confirm this view with the market profile. So when we look into market profile, we see that tomorrow's CPR range is way below today's CPR range. So it shows that the market profile is bearish, but it will all depend upon where the market will open tomorrow. So as of now, when we see at SGX is running at 15747, which is definitely above the pivot, which is at 15662. So market is somewhere here at this point of time. So if this continue, that is the first option, that if market opens above pivot, then as a defensive trader, the best trade is buy on dip, either at pivot, which is at 15663, or at L3, which is at 15639. So in the zone of TC and PC, this is an area is the best setup for a buy on dip with the stop loss of 15565, which is just below L4 for tomorrow, for a target of 15850, which is a combination of monthly L3 and my blue magical line. Now the second option is that market will open below pivot and it will start moving up. So it opens below pivot and starts moving up. Then it is a sell on rise somewhere at 15720, which is a closer to previous day close and my black magical line. And even if it goes above that, then 15778, which is 200 bar moving average, weekly pivot, and also previous day high, for a target of 15480, which is a L4 for tomorrow. So 15569, I'm sorry, 15569, so closer to previous day low, 15569. So there's the second option, that it opens below pivot, moves up, sell on rise for a target of 15569, which is a L4 for tomorrow. Now the third option is 15-minute breakout. In either scenario, say it opens above pivot and 15-minute breakout, it starts moving up. So that is another trade which one can take, but I will be not comfortable taking that trade. And the second option is that it opens below pivot and 15 minutes it starts moving down. In that scenario, again, I will not short, but I will look for some reversal pattern at 15465 or at 15570 zone. I'm sorry, for buy on dip. So among all these four options, the best possible trade scenario is option one, where market opens above pivot and then it corrects, and then I will go for a buy on dip in the zone of 15563 and 15641 for a target of 15850. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's review what happened today. So today, the idea was very clear that if the market was in control of beer, and if the open is below pivot, then idea was sell on rise. But on first 5 minutes only, it opened below pivot, and this big red cup bar happened, and then it almost touched S1. And there was definitely possibility to take this 15-minute breakout, but I was not pretty sure to short a market closer to S1, so I let this fall go back. And then we found this reversal pattern. So we found a doji and then a confirmation. So this is the fourth reversal pattern doji, and I entered on this particular green bar, and I rode the whole wave. And somewhere when this doji happened closer to monthly pivot, I exited my position, and this was clear 100 point to move for me. So this is the orders which I took today. So 15,627, and I sold it at 15,727. Um, so that's my day. So what's the learning? Learning for today is stay patient. I think I'm getting there, and I just need to ensure that I remain more consistent and stay disciplined and stay focused. That's the idea to be in the market. Idea is to sustain. Once I learn how to be sustained in this market, Lalaji will make money for me. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. If you are still with me, then please do comment at what time I should make this video. I'm still trying to figure it out. In the morning, because in morning time it helps me to get a clear indication of where the market is going to open, or in the during this time where we can come and talk about different probabilities of where market is going to open and then build a trade plan. uh, s- s- Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.